Tesla vehicles offer multiple ways to unlock the doors from the outside, using the key card, the physical door handle, and the Tesla mobile app. This video will cover each method in detail, providing you with a comprehensive guide to accessing your Tesla. These methods apply to Model 3, Model Y, Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck. The Tesla key card is the primary physical method for unlocking your vehicle. It uses NFC technology to communicate with your car securely. Near-field communication allows the card to exchange data with the vehicle when in close proximity, providing secure, wireless access without traditional keys. To unlock, simply tap the key card against the B pillar on the driver's side or the door handle sensor. The card's NFC chip sends a secure signal to the vehicle, unlocking the doors instantly. You can manage your key cards through the Tesla mobile app. Add new cards, revoke access for lost cards, or share temporary access with family members or valets. The key card is Tesla's primary physical access method, offering reliable performance with a 99% uptime rate reported in Q4 2025. It's designed to work consistently in various conditions. The Tesla app, available on iOS and Android, allows you to unlock your vehicle using your phone as a digital key. To get started, pair your phone as a digital key through the Tesla app settings. Proximity Unlock activates automatically when your phone is near the vehicle, using Bluetooth Low Energy for smooth access. For remote unlocking, your phone needs a cellular connection to send commands directly to the vehicle. Walkaway Lock is a security feature that automatically locks the doors when your paired phone moves away from the vehicle by about 10 to 15 feet. You can configure Walkaway Lock in the app settings for added security. For most Tesla models, pulling the physical door handle will unlock and open the door, provided the vehicle is already authenticated via the key card or app. For the Model X, the Falcon Wing doors require a button press on the handle to open. Haptic feedback was added in V12.5, released August 2025, to confirm unlocks. Tesla's unlocking system prioritizes security above all else. Every method of opening your vehicle requires robust authentication to ensure only authorized users can gain access. The system uses end-to-end encrypted signals that protect all communications between your key card, phone, or app and the vehicle. This encryption prevents hackers from intercepting unlock commands. To combat sophisticated attacks like relay theft, Tesla includes anti-relay features that enforce strict distance limits for authentication. The system verifies that your device is physically close to the vehicle before allowing access. For added security, doors automatically relock after a period of inactivity, ensuring you never accidentally leave your vehicle unsecured. Tesla puts you in control by allowing owners to manage digital keys through the app. You can easily grant or revoke access for family members, valets, or service technicians, all while maintaining full security. If your key card isn't working, ensure it's properly programmed in the Tesla app. Check the card's battery and try reprogramming if needed. If the app unlock fails, check your phone's Bluetooth connection or cellular service. Make sure the app is updated and your phone is properly paired with the vehicle. For handle issues, make sure the car is already unlocked electronically. If the handle won't work, try unlocking via the app again first. In cases of electronic failure, Tesla service or roadside assistance can provide emergency access. Contact them directly for help. Here are some practical tips to ensure smooth and secure access to your Tesla. First, always keep your Tesla app updated. This ensures you have access to the latest features and critical security patches that protect your vehicle. Get familiar with the Walkaway Lock feature. It automatically locks your doors when your phone moves away, adding an extra layer of security without any effort on your part. Carry your Tesla key card as a reliable backup. It's perfect for situations where your phone battery dies or you encounter connectivity issues with the app. Take advantage of digital key sharing through the app. You can easily grant temporary access to family members or friends, making it convenient for them to drive or access your Tesla. Following these tips will ensure you always have smooth and secure access to your Tesla vehicle. Tesla's unlocking technology continues to evolve with exciting advancements on the horizon. Trends point toward greater integration with third-party apps, allowing seamless pairing across devices and even cross-brand compatibility. Ultra-wideband technology could enable more precise proximity detection, unlocking doors only when you're within a meter for enhanced security. Biometric authentication, such as fingerprint sensors in door handles, may provide quick and secure access without needing cards or phones. Tesla aims for zero-touch entry, where doors open automatically as you approach, combining AI and advanced sensors for truly effortless access. These innovations promise to make Tesla access even more seamless and secure in the coming years.